So we've got pretty much all of it done, just a few little snagging jobs. So there's the inside the cab. We've got a lick of paint on the backboard up there, and then we just put some tongue and groove there just to break it up a bit. And there's a hatch for the dogs to get in and out, and me when I have to. Then, so let's have a look inside the back. We'll ignore the outside the van, that's got to be down in the spring. So in the back, there's our cab living area, so to speak. Which is what I said, I wanted a main area. So it's a seat, dog leg seat, if you like, L-shaped seat, which is also the bed there, which is a bit obvious. Give it a look at paint, got a few bits up. Odd colours, mix and match, but I sort of like that. Log burner. And if we're sitting on the main seat facing out, that's our looking out the back. So log burner, toasty and warm in the evenings. Even in this cold weather I can go out. All the logs and everything I need round it, firelighters and a light underneath. The left hand side is technically what we're going to call the kitchen area, and that's where I'll do my cooking, on that counter there. Underneath, fridge freezer, 3 basins holding assorted things, which I can, but that's for your washing and prepping, you know, vegetables and the like. This side we'll say is the prep area, and also for washing and stuff like that. Chopping board, water, tea towels and the like. Right, we've done the back doors, nothing fancy, just made them look sort of tidy. And now I'll show you from the back. And there we go, from the back doors. I quite like the walk all the way through. I've got no cabinets above, anything above waist level really, because it sort of makes you feel a little bit too enclosed for my liking. I want it to feel like a bit spacious. So there it is. We've got our storage this side, water, toilet, a couple of bits and pieces, pots and pans, foods, things, tins of stuff, you see. And that's us from the back end. What do you think? I'm quite pleased with it. Overall, we'll call it an 8 out of 10. Am I being a bit wishful thinking? So there we are. That's how far we've come. You should, if you've been watching the other videos, you will have seen when I stripped out, it's an empty van, and then a couple of different stages I was putting it together. Come on, dogs. Oh, do you want to come up and show yourselves in it? Hold on. Come here, Ted. Come here, Bear. Come on, up. Come on. Come on, up. Good girl, up. Come on, Ted. Good boy. Up, up. Come on, up. That's it. And there they go. And they love it. So, spring's round the corner, but I'm actually going to be going away before that. I'm ready to go now. There'll always be a few little snagging jobs to be done, but that's van life, innit? We all know that. So see you on the road, if you are on the road. If not, I'll see you when I see you. Bye for now.